What's your name? What's your name? My name is Korim. My name is Korim. Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Are you listening to music? Are you listening to music? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? No, I don't. No, I don't. Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you visit your village? Do you visit your village? Yes, twice a year. Yes, twice a year. Are you eating now? Are you eating now? Yes, I am having lunch. Yes, I am having lunch. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes, on weekends. Yes, on weekends. Are you sick? Are you sick? No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Can you charge my phone? Can you charge my phone? Yes, give it to me. Yes, give it to me. Do you like sweets? Do you like sweets? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Are you coming today? Are you coming today? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you clean the room? Can you clean the room? Yes, I will do it. Yes, I will do it. Do you know my brother? Do you know my brother? Yes, I have seen him. Yes, I have seen him. Are you crying? Are you crying? No, I am not. No, I am not. Can you speak Bengali? Can you speak Bengali? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Do you read newspapers? Do you read newspapers? Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Yes, I want to rest. Yes, I want to rest. Are you ready for the exam? Are you ready for the exam? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you come now? Can you come now? I am coming. I am coming. Do you practice English daily? Do you practice English daily? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Are you smiling? Are you smiling? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you close the door? Can you close the door? Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Are you new in this city? Are you new in this city? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you believe in luck? Do you believe in luck? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? Yes, much better. Yes, much better. Can you close the window? Can you close the window? Sure, I will do it. Sure, I will do it. Do you eat vegetables? Do you eat vegetables? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Are you afraid of water? Are you afraid of water? No, not at all. No, not at all. Can you stay quiet? Can you stay quiet? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Do you like writing? Do you like writing? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Yes, no problem. Yes, no problem. Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you speak faster? Can you speak faster? Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Are you waiting for someone? Are you waiting for someone? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you know my name? Do you know my name? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? No, I am not. No, I am not. Do you watch drama series? Do you watch drama series? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Are you coming now? Are you coming now? Yes, I am on the way. Yes, I am on the way. Do you like school life? Do you like school life? Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's fun. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes, I can see it. Yes, I can see it. Can you speak politely? Can you speak politely? Sure, I will. Sure, I will. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, very sleepy. Yes, very sleepy. Do you play badminton? Do you play badminton? Yes, I like it. Yes, I like it. Can you lend me some money? Can you lend me some money? Sorry, not now. Sorry, not now. Are you nervous? Are you nervous? Yes, a little bit. Yes, a little bit. Do you travel by bus? Do you travel by bus? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. What are you reading? What are you reading? I am reading a storybook. I am reading a storybook. Are you done? Are you done? Yes, I am done. Yes, I am done. Do you like to sing? Do you like to sing? Yes, sometimes. Yes, sometimes. Can I talk to you? Can I talk to you? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Are you watching a movie? Are you watching a movie? Yes, it's very interesting. Yes, it's very interesting. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite animal is a dog. Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar? No, I can't. No, I can't. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? I like cold coffee. I like cold coffee. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. What's your plan for tomorrow? What's your plan for tomorrow? I will visit my friend's house. I will visit my friend's house. Are you going to the office today? Are you going to the office today? Yes, I have some work. Yes, I have some work.